Hi everyone, welcome to the SMT TV channel. Okay, please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell on the right side to get a notification as and when I have the latest video. Show me some love, please like, subscribe and click the bell video. See you inside the channel. Hi everyone, my name is Colin. Okay, I was previously a remiser with Philips Securities for 12 years and also a certified financial technician and a chartered portfolio manager. Today I want to share a little bit about swing trade strategy. This strategy was actually in this book called Secrets of Highly Profitable Trading that was in the Singapore Straits Times bestseller for 24 weeks consecutively. Today I want to share this strategy with you in this book that I shared with the public on this strategy. Okay, so how does this strategy work? Okay, very simple. Okay, this strategy is what we call a swing trade strategy. Okay, the first thing in this swing trade strategy is to look for the trend, the underlying trend. Okay, so if you know there's this indicator called moving average, I want to look at two indicators. The first indicator is what we call the 20 MA, 20 moving average. Okay, and I want to look for a sloping up 20 moving average. Okay, that is the first criteria for this stock. The second thing is I want to look for stocks that is also having a sloping up 40 moving average. So when I have a sloping up 20 and 40 moving average, I know that the trend is going upwards. Okay, so that's the first and second criteria. The 20 sloping up, the 40 sloping up, and both MA, the 20 must be above the 40 MA. Okay, the next thing I want to look for is the price. Okay, so the price must start to drop, okay, inside this zone of the 20 and 40 MA zone. Okay, and we're going to look for another indicator which is called the CCI. Okay, normally the CCI, the setting is 20. We will change this CCI to a 5. Okay, a 5 CCI. See the market move in 5s. Okay, so you have a 5-day up, a 5-day down, a 5-day up, a 5-day down. So the pattern is around 5 days. So we look at CCI 5. Okay, so we want to look for 20, 40 sloping up. Next, we want to look for CCI to drop. Okay, below the below the minus 100. So once the CCI drop below the minus 100, then it will be called oversold. Okay, before I go into maybe the strategy itself, let me explain what is CCI. CCI basically is an oscillator. Okay, so the general idea, CCI will oscillate like this. Okay, and the CCI, okay, reads the wave. Okay, understand what's happening in the wave. And the 20 and 40 MA represent the tide. Okay, what is the trend? What's the tide right now in the market? The tide is going up. Okay, and the wave is coming down. So we want to look for the wave to drop, okay, and it goes to an oversold region which is minus 100. Okay, so we have a few criteria first here. First is sloping up average, okay, 20 and 40. Second, we are looking for CCI to drop. That is when the price has dropped maybe 3 to 5 days. Okay, the price must drop below the 20 moving average, okay, or touch the 20 moving average. Okay, either below or touch the 20 moving average, but still above the 40 moving average. So once all this criteria is being set up, okay, we have what we call a setup. We have a get ready to fire. Okay, it doesn't mean fire, we get ready to fire. Then following that, what do we do next? What do we do? How do we enter the position? So in this example, if the candle are dropping, so usually it will be a bearish candle right now. Okay, so what we are looking for is a reversal candle. Or a reversal candle, how it happens is it may be a break above the previous candle high. Okay, once it breaks above the previous candle high, that could be your entry. Okay, so you look for this criteria: 20-40 sloping up, CCI low, the price going to the MA or touch the 20 MA above the 40 MA. Once you have that, you look for the trigger. Trigger is the price when the price goes above the previous candle high. So once the price goes above the previous candle high, you have an entry. Okay, once you have the entry, then next you want to do is to put a stop loss here. Okay, you put a stop loss here, you put an entry over here. Okay, So once you have your entry ready, your stop loss ready, then the next is a target. What is a target? The target you are looking for here is you are looking for at least back to the previous resistance. So you are looking for maybe the next 3 to 5 candle to hit back to the previous resistance. In this situation, you will sell 30 to 50% of the position. Okay, and if there's a valid breakout, then you can write the rest of the 50% position up. Okay, so in this strategy, the idea is low risk. Your risk maybe is 1 candle. Okay, and the reward maybe is like 4 or 5 candle. Okay, so depending on how the candle looks like. Okay, so this is what we call a swing trade strategy. Okay, if you zoom it out, it will look something like that. Okay, so if you zoom it out, okay, this is the trend, uptrend. It will look something like that. So the idea is to look for stocks. Okay, over here. Okay, and we have the MA this way. Okay, and then the 40 MA this way. Okay, so the idea is to look for retracement, pull back to get into the position, pull back to get into position, pull back to get into position. Okay, put stop below here, stop below here, stop below here, stop below here. Then we do a swing. We do a swing up. Okay, we do a swing up either into the previous target or higher, and we sell according to the strike. Okay, so at the end of the day, what is trading all about? At the end of the trading is about 2 things. Okay, first thing we have what we call the payoff ratio. What is our payoff ratio? That means if you're correct, how much you make, and then what is your loss. Example, when you get stop out, what is the loss you lose? Okay, so from here you can calculate your payoff ratio. Okay, so as example, in the previous one, your entry is over here. This is the entry. Okay, and your target is from here to here. This is your target. So in this case, we have a 1 to 2 payoff ratio. You follow what I'm saying? So that's the first P of trading, payoff ratio. The second P of trading is what we call the probability. The probability, what is the chance that you will go up to your target versus what's the chance that you will hit your stop loss. Okay, so the second thing is about probability. So in a profitable strategy, you want to have at least a 1 to more than 1 payoff ratio. Okay, and you want to have at least more than 50% probability. Does it make sense? Okay, so with that, right, it's just like flipping a coin. If we flip a coin and we bet heads or tail, the probability of coming hits is 50%, tail is 50%, correct or not? And if you are betting head and you get hit, you hit $1, so over time, if you use this strategy, right, 50% probability, 1 to 1 win-loss ratio, over time, it will be break-even. Make sense? Okay, so the idea of trading is to get this probability higher than 50%. Okay, have a profitable strategy, something like what I shared just now, because the trend is in your favor. Okay, so that's why you have a higher probability. Then the second one, you have a good payoff ratio. In this case, you are risking a small candle for a big candle, a few more candles reward. So you have a higher payoff ratio. Okay, there are certain things that I want to cover more about this strategy, how I can make it more accurate. Okay, but there's just not enough time. So I will invite you to any of my events where I can share more about this strategy and other things that I do. Okay, how I actually develop a system using the basic idea of this strategy and using a system to help you to conquer emotion, and after you conquer emotion, become a more calmer trader and a more profitable trader too. Okay, so I thank you for watching this video and see you in the next video.